Are you struggling when you sing? Are you straining? Are you going for notes and, worrying about them? And then when you get done singing, your throat hurts? Well, I have 3 points for you to check out. Number 1, your approach. Number 2, muscular strength. And number 3 is your readiness. So when I talk about approach, it's how you're thinking about the notes. Now, when you're going for a note and you're singing, you're on stage. If you're thinking, I hope I can get that note, that's going to impede you from actually getting the note. When you're looking at the note and you're thinking, oh, it's up here, it's really high, that could be a mountain that you're looking at. Oh, you're going to climb that mountain to get that note. No, think of it right here. So your approach is, wow, it's right here. I can get that note. And then you want the voice to be ready to do the note. Are you open? Think of a yawn. You want to stretch, and you can feel the openness in the back of the throat. This is what you want when you go and approach those notes. Number 2, your muscle awareness, your muscle strength. Have you been actually working your muscles so that when you go for those notes, you know that you can hit them because you've been doing all the prep work? And also doing the songs, practicing them, and actually hitting the notes in practice. So now, as you're going along, number 1, you've worked your voice, the voice is ready, and that's what we do in Singing for a Lifetime. We work our voices every week. So I know that when I go to sing a song, my muscles are going to give me those notes. Why? Because I'm going from low to high. I'm actually doing them. Now, you can start out with warm-ups. We have free warm-ups. Just go to marquitawaters.com. Go get your warm-ups. Enter your contact information. I'll send them to you. That's a beginning, though. What I want you to do is a follow-up to that and muscular strength. That's what you want. Now, when you're on stage and you're going for that note and you've practiced your song, hitting those notes, you're going to be confident. That means you're going to believe. That means when you go with your approach, number 1, you're going to feel confident to get that because you know you can. You've been doing the work in order to get those notes. Number 3 is readiness. Now, when you go out, you get ready to go out, don't you? When you're going to go to a show, you get your clothes together, you get everything together. But did you warm up your voice? Did you ready your voice? Now, you want to ready your voice physically as well as mentally. You want to make sure that you took care of it too, but you've got to warm the muscles before you ask them to do those high notes. That's why you would be struggling, because you're not really doing the things that are necessary beforehand in order for you to get what you want, which is a great performance. We all want that, don't we? Well, you've got to warm up the muscles. You prepare. Then there's readiness for you to do those notes, for you to hit all the areas of the stage with confidence, with the success that you want. And as you hit the notes, you get even more confident because you know that you're capable of doing even more now in the show. And so as you perform, your performance gets bigger and bigger because why? You have done all the work prior to stepping on that stage. That's what we want, okay? So let me recap. Number 1, your approach. How are you thinking about these notes? Can you believe that you can get them? Are you looking at them here or like, oh my gosh, up here, out of sight, and it's really hard to get? So make sure your approach is right here with confidence, believing in yourself. And why? Because number 2, you do the muscle strengthening. And so you're confident that you can hit the notes because you've already done the prep work. You've already worked your muscles past those notes in your practice. Okay? And then number 3, your readiness. You've worked yourself before your show so the muscles are warm, they're supple, they're ready to hit those notes. And now you can step on the stage and you can believe in what you do. You know that you have confidence. You know that you can hit those notes. They aren't out here. They're right here. They're right in front of you. And you are taking them and doing a great show. Okay? So remember, you can get free warm-ups. Go to marquitawaters.com and give your contact information. I'll send them right to you. You can join Singing for a Lifetime if you really want to work your muscles every week and have people to do it with. We have so much fun. It's great. And I'm confident when I sing. Why? Because I'm doing the work. So that means here, I'm going to believe. That means when I step on stage, I have the confidence. I keep saying confidence. And that's what it is. You want the confidence when you sing, so you don't have to worry about that. You're busy performing. You're able to do that because you've already done the work. Okay? Well, I know this is helpful. I know this is helpful to you. So leave a comment. Tell me, number 1, which of these areas has been most helpful? Number 2, what is your struggle with your singing? Do you have struggles with really, thinking about whether you can hit notes, or that your muscles really aren't strong, or that, well, yeah, I do warm up, but I still don't feel I'm ready. Tell me which one of these is most helpful to you. Okay? All right. I'll see you now. Oh, don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell. You know the drill. Okay? Because it's such a day, yeah. Such a fun day. Yeah, yeah. Woo! Bye-bye-bye.